Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping the headset and app so playback can continue when the app loses focus. First, make sure your Quest 3 has decent battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This avoids dropouts. Next, install and sign into the official YouTube app. This gives the cleanest controls. Once done, check YouTube settings for any background audio toggle if you don't see it. Prepare the Oculus browser approach as an alternative route that gives more control over tabs and media. Now you perform the core steps to keep audio playing while you use other apps. Play the video in the YouTube app, then press the Oculus button and navigate to home. The app should continue playing audio in the background. If it stops, switch to the browser, load YouTube. Start playback in a pinned tab, then move back to your primary VR app. This often keeps the stream alive. Make sure volume is set, and that system audio permissions allow background media before moving on. Finish by locking in the configuration and validating it works with typical use. Use quick settings to control media volume and confirm the audio keeps playing when you open a game or another app. This proves background playback is active. If audio cuts out, reboot the Quest 3, reinstall YouTube, or clear the browser cache. These steps resolve most glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure Allow Background Media is enabled and that YouTube has permission to run and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.